In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve double quotes instead of it in your laptop or desktop. So guys, once you try to type it, so you will see double quote. So to fix this problem, click on this language and make sure you have to select English US. So you have to select English US keyboard. Maybe you are selected keyboard as English UK. So select English US and try to type it. Another way, start settings, I'm in language. Now here language and region. At English US as first language. The click on this three dot and language options. So select this keyboard United States International. So once you click here, so find out this QWERTY in this list. If this one is selected, so make sure you select US International QWERTY. So using this method, you can fix this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.